welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Winter arrives with cold, rainy weather in Queensland. Queenslanders are waking up to wintry conditions as temperatures in parts of the Granite Belt in the state's southwest drop below 10 degrees Celsius. The temperature in Applethrop went as low as 6 degrees Celsius overnight, and the mercury dipped below 10 degrees Celsius in Goondiwindi, OK and Toowoomba. The Bureau of Meteorology said there would be scattered showers across the state that would ease at the start of the next week. A cloud band has been travelling across central Australia and is now pushing into western Queensland, meteorologists said. It's likely to bring scattered to widespread showers and periods of rain through parts of central and western Queensland. Looking further ahead, it will expand to parts of northern and southern Queensland. The Bureau of Meteorology said the most significant rainfall total would be in central Queensland and surrounding areas. We may see some moderate rainfall between Charters Towers to Emerald, and then on Friday between Bowen to Boonburg. And then on Saturday, rainfall should shift a bit closer to the east coast, officials said. Friday will be the wettest day, particularly around the Rockhampton area, where we are more likely to see that rainfall pushing into 50, even up to 100 millimeters. After a slight reprieve, cooler temperatures are expected to return to southeast in the coming days. Lots of cool, dry air is pushing across southern Queensland at the moment and pushing up into central Queensland. While lower temperatures would not break any records, they could be up to 4 to 10 degrees below average for inland Queensland. In the southeast, high tides will be fairly close to their highest astronomical tide level for the next few days. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.